Good morning. My name is John Smith. I am the President and Chief Executive Officer of Pennsylvania Lumbermen's Mutual. I need and want to talk to you today about a change or development that we are very concerned about, one that involves you and your business. Over the past several weeks, we've been surprised to see a string of very large multi-million-dollar fire losses being reported to not only PLM, but to other insurance carriers that service the wood niche as well. In almost every case involving a PLM insured, it was their first property loss in many years or even decades. Of course, we've reacted as our reputation suggests, swiftly and proactively with our insurers that have suffered a loss to expedite their return to normal business operations as quickly as possible. This, however, is not always easy with supply chain issues that we're all too familiar with. However, let's be honest, no one wants to suffer a major loss, and the reality is many of these losses could have been avoided, and we think in the past may have been. Why should you be concerned? Because the property insurance marketplace is a difficult one today with little relief in sight. Capacity to insure large property limits is shrinking at a time when values are rising. Weather-related losses are surging all over the country. Wildfire losses are problematic. And now, not only PLM, but the industry is seeing a surge in non-wildfire and weather-related fire losses. Insurance capacity is like many other things, all about supply and demand. Constrict supply or capacity when demand is rising and you get marketplace volatility that demonstrates itself as restricted, more expensive coverage. What can you do? We are asking that you simply return to the basics, enforce those smoking policies. Do the routine maintenance now before the equipment breaks down or overheats and causes a loss. Recommit to improved housekeeping. Everyone is busy. Orders in many places exceed capacity or label levels, and housekeeping suffers, leading to larger losses. Hire professionals to do your electrical and sprinkler work. Look for and control all sources of ignition, particularly but not exclusively when you are doing hot work. Get up from behind your desks, walk your operation looking for fire hazards and other safety exposures. Reprioritize safety with your team. Make sure your local fire department is familiar with your location and your operation. And when a fire does start, call the fire department first, then try to extinguish the fire yourself. If you want more information on what you can do and should be doing in order to control losses and create a safe environment for your business and employees, please reach out to our loss control department or me. Many of our insurers are experiencing outstanding results now. It is not time to suffer a tragic loss.